Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. Now this is a battery. It's an NP-F550 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and you can find a link within this video's description to order it online. But I actually got this battery to use in conjunction with a Neewer camera light because it's rechargeable, and it says for F550. 7.4 volt, 2500 milliamps. So just a good build quality. Again, check the link within this video's description. I've got this battery as well as the charger that I'll use to recharge this battery. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IrixGuy. And y'all have a good day.